Hello friends, my name is Ayush Purwal. Today I will give you an introduction of circle. So first of all, what is circle? A circle is a locus on a plane which moves in such a way. A circle is a locus on a plane which moves in such a way that its distance from a fixed point. Fixed point here is O, the center, is always remains same. Okay, मतलब that a locus is a point on a plane which moves in such a way that its distance from a fixed point is always remain same, and the fixed distance is called r radius. We know that the circumference makes a constant ratio with the diameter of a circle, and this constant ratio is denoted by pi. Constant ratio with diameter. Okay, so now we can say that circumference is equal to pi d, and so we know that the d is the diameter here, and diameter is equal to 2r, which is the largest chord. This is the combined 2r is equal to diameter. Okay, so now here we can say that circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. In circle, the perimeter is equal to the circumference. Okay. Now I will tell you how to find the direct common tangent between two circles. Suppose it is a large circle and it's a small circle. Both have a center. Let the radius of bigger circle is 8 centimeter and the radius of a smaller circle is 2 centimeter. Okay, so it's a direct common tangent which passes from both the circle. Now we have to find this common tangent. Okay, first of all, we will make a straight line which passes through the smaller circle. Okay, now we know the radius of the largest circle is 8 centimeter and the radius of the smallest circle is 2 centimeter. So from here, from center to this, the radius is 2 centimeter and the total radius of largest circle is 8. So the remaining radius is 8 minus 2, 6 centimeter. So this side is 6 centimeter. Okay, and the straight line passes through the smallest circle is 10 centimeter. Okay, from now here we can derive the direct common tangent. So if we assume the figure, we can draw it like a right angle triangle. Here the side is 6 centimeter perpendicular side and base is 10 centimeter, and now we have to find the hypotenuse. So we know the Pythagoras theorem, h square equal to means hypotenuse equal to perpendicular square and base square. Okay, so here the hypotenuse, we have to know the hypotenuse. If we eliminate the square from the hypotenuse, then it will become the under root. So here perpendicular is 6 square equal to 36 plus base square 100, total 136. It means under root 136. Okay, now if I want to make it in reduced form, under root 136 can be factorized as 34 into 4. Okay, now we can take 2 outside. Okay, now it is the reduced form of 136. Okay, so here the direct common tangent is 2 under root 34. Now from here we can make a formula for direct common tangent. It's a bigger circle, it's a smaller circle. The radius of bigger circle is r. The radius of a smaller circle is r, small r, and the side here, the perpendicular side is r minus r. Okay, now what is the direct common tangent? So here this figure is drawn as r minus r, and it is r plus r. Okay, so what is the direct common tangent? Equal to d equal to under root r minus r का होल स्क्वायर प्लस r का होल स्क्वायर. Okay,